guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious cilantro lime rice. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1 cup of long grain rice, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 garlic clove, half of a lime, small bunch of cilantro, and 2 cups of water. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by squeezing out the lime juice out of our lime. Alrighty, so once we have that, we're going to start to chop our onion and mince our garlic clove. Alright, so once we have our onion and our garlic clove ready, we are ready to fry our rice. So I'm going to get my medium deep frying pan. I'm going to set it on medium-high heat, and I'm going to add my canola oil. And we're just going to wait for that to heat up, and then after that we can add our rice. Alright, so once our oil is hot enough, we're going to add our rice, and we're going to fry it until it turns a pretty golden color. You can see it's already changing color. Okay, so at this point we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And I'm going to add the onion and garlic. Alright, so now we're going to add the water. Along with the lime juice and our chicken bouillon. Now if you want to keep it a little bit more on the healthier side, just add a little pinch of salt. And now we're just going to give it a quick mix. Make sure that everything is well mixed. Just like that. And we're going to add our cilantro. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so after 20 minutes, you're just going to check to see if your rice has any water left. So just mix it. Do not open the lid. Just give it a quick mix, and as you can see, there's some more water. So turn it off. And now we're just going to set it to the side for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, your rice should be ready to be served. Alrighty, so this is what the rice looks like, and as you can see, it's nice and ready. So we are ready to serve. Alright guys, so our rice is done, and I'm just serving it with some drumsticks. But let me tell you that this rice goes perfect with pretty much anything. So we're ready. Let's enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. It's seriously perfect each and every single time. My kids love it, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and your kids love it just as much. Seriously, perfect with anything. Even if you're meal prepping, it is perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, my super easy and delicious cilantro lime rice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Oh yeah, yeah.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.